Nestled in a vibrant neighborhood, the Rolling Wave is a distinguished sushi restaurant that offers an immersive culinary experience in Japanese cuisine. The restaurant, with its minimalist design and tranquil ambience, provides a serene and authentic dining environment, making it a haven for sushi aficionados. The Rolling Wave is celebrated for its extensive sushi menu, featuring a variety of meticulously crafted sushi rolls, sashimi, and nigiri. The sushi chefs at the Rolling Wave are skilled artisans, using the freshest seafood and premium ingredients to create delicate and flavorful pieces. The restaurant's commitment to quality and authenticity is evident in every bite. A highlight of the menu is the Dragon Roll, a delightful combination of eel, cucumber, and avocado, topped with thin slices of avocado and sweet eel sauce. The sashimi platter, showcasing an assortment of fresh and succulent slices of fish, is another exquisite offering. The restaurant also offers a selection of Japanese teas and sake, enhancing the overall dining experience. The staff at the Rolling Wave are polite and knowledgeable, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience for every guest. The Rolling Wave is not just a sushi restaurant, it's a sanctuary where the artistry of sushi making and the richness of Japanese flavors converge, offering a memorable gastronomic journey